Dear sirs, this guide is about getting rid of Allneed.pro, Allneed.pro, which is a very malicious website targeting many popular browsers right now. Its main mission is to actually infect your browser with very intrusive web push notifications. For this purpose, it starts displaying some misleading alerts claiming that you need to click on Allow button, supposedly to verify your age. Sometimes the pop-up is even able to switch your browser into the full screen mode, and this way you'll be really much distracted by such transformation into the full screen mode. All you can do is just press the escape button to get out of this mode. Now, clicking on Allow button is a very serious mistake that may lead to many problems. In fact, when you do that, this moment the browser gets hijacked, you will be soon redirected to some malicious resources, and eventually the system may become infected even more. Go to the menu, click on Settings, then select Site Settings and Notifications. Now examine the Allow area. You'll find this Allneed.pro in the list, and you need to remove it. Also remove other suspicious sites that do not make any sense, even in the blog area. Get rid of these sites that are not decent. So after they are all deleted, the problem should be fixed. But I also recommend that you double check your Mac with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on this page, combocleaner.com. It's important because your system could be additionally contaminated by some adware, so Combo Cleaner will help you to establish where exactly the adware is located. Now click on Start Combo Scan, and this will begin the direct research of your Mac. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Whether it is in the trial mode or in the premium mode, the program will perform scanning of your computer and its analysis. At the end of scan, you will see the detailed report. If you see something next to the antivirus section, you may click on Review Results to find out what exact threats were found. So you will see the detailed list of each specific threat and its detailed location in your Mac. What you could do is click on this icon, that means Show in Finder. Then this will open the location of threat in Finder. You may right-click on this threat and move it to the trash. You may do the same procedure with all other malware types that were found. So click on this icon. Then right-click on it, on the malware, and move it to the trash. So this is the manual way to remove malware from your Mac, or you could do it automatically but with the premium version of the program.